Hello my creative friend, Olga Sabi here. Welcome to this new fluid art tutorial. Today I want to create a yin and yang inspired painting. I have created quite a few in this series, in this topic, but I have this new idea for my layout. Yes, this is awesome! Oh man, this one is hot! And I also want to try using a ring to create not only a yin-yang shape, but also infinity symbol in it. So let's see how it turns out, and without further ado, let's get started. Equilibrium is a secret message today, so I want to start by creating black and white color split base. My black is not actually black, it's a black mix, so I mixed a few different colors in it. And I just want to divide it right in the middle, so black and white, half and half. In this particular case, the border doesn't need to stay perfect because I'm going to blow out colors in both directions, so it doesn't really matter if it's slightly off the center. Unlike my other yin and yang melody, that one was quite important to keep it as centered as possible. Check it out this tutorial if you want to see what I'm talking about. I like to cover the sides even if it's just the white paint, because the white of the white acrylic paint is different from white of gesso, so it's actually quite noticeable on the sides, so it's best if you cover up your sides as well. Okay, the base is done, and before I add colors of the flow, I want to use the hoop, which is a big cookie cutter. You can also use embroidery hoop. I want to try out something different. Not quite different, I have done this type of motion in my paintings before, but I want to achieve a new look with it today. Okay. Now I want to do the same thing on the other side. I think they should overlap ever so slightly. I mean, this 8 already looks pretty cool. Something about it. The white doesn't want to really stay, it kind of sinks in this dark base, but it's okay. Okay, now I want to add colors of my flow. I have 3 colors here, and this one is permanent red purple, which is like very beautiful bright magenta color. This one here is iridescent gold. I'm using one by PBO, and this one here I mixed out of 2 colors. So this one is iridescent orange and iridescent copper. So I kind of wanted to get something in between, so this is it. I want to start by adding gold right in the center. Adding quite a bit of it. Red, purple. Okay, totally loving this so far. So this is my orangey copper, copperish orange. So I think I want to add a little bit more of my black mix here and a little bit more white on this side. Let's elaborate on that yin-yang kind of concept. Okay, I'm ready to do the blowout. This looks really cool. Let's do it. Oh, I'm excited to see. And all of my colors are mixed with new recipe, and I am so excited to share that the course will launch May 20. Super soon. Stay tuned for that, and I will share more about the course just in a second. Let's do the blowout. This is awesome! This is exactly what I wanted to achieve. Okay, the only thing that is not 100% perfect is this white line. I want it to be more, I want it to be thicker like this black one, but I will paint it once the whole thing is gonna be dry. Look at this stunning reaction, and in my new course, I will share my new signature recipe. It's brand new, you're gonna love it. I will teach you everything about consistency, how to get your perfect consistency, how you can get exactly the same consistency as I have. And I will share you how to achieve beautiful cells in your painting, how to layer your colors. I will share all of my trade secrets and then some. So just one more week to go. Can't wait to share it with you guys, so stay tuned. And if you want to be notified when the course is live, sign up on my website to get an email. You will also receive a coupon with a discount. So if you're interested, I highly recommend you go on my website and sign up for email. Okay, let's get back to this one. Oh man, this one is hot. I want to do a few finger swipes. Okay, I really don't like this section here. To grab syringe, maybe remove some of the paint. Okay, I don't think I want to change anything else. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. So now I want to let it dry and work on this white half of the sort of my infinity yin yang. So let's get to the next step. The painting is dry and now I want to touch up my half infinity symbol. The black on white half of it dried really perfectly, so I only need to work on the other side. And to answer your questions about my new course, it will launch on May 20th, so just in a week. And in this course, I will teach you all of my secrets for perfect consistency, perfect cells, the layering technique, and of course, my brand new recipe for stunning fluid paintings. If you're interested, sign up for updates on my website and you will receive an exclusive coupon code on the launch date. I think this half rain looks really perfect now, and I'm also touching up the side before varnish, and voila! Here is this piece all done and finished. I have to say I really love this composition with these elements embedded in this burst of colors. And the concept was to have this half infinity with my black and white, and the flow itself continues the infinity sign. So sort of a combination of different techniques together. And I think it worked out pretty cool. What do you think? I also have to say you absolutely can't go wrong with the black and white color split base, and I love the bursts of iridescent colors all throughout, especially in this section right here. It is so beautiful, so expressive, and they really pop on the black and white base. And in this layout, this is how I love it the most, but when I flip the canvas, it also looks really cool. So let me show you and you tell me which orientation or which position do you love the most. So this one here is number 1. This is layout number 2 and looks really cool in a landscape layout with these colors bursting on this diagonal. This one here is orientation number 3. And finally, this one here is number 4. Let me know your choice in the comments below and tell me what do you think about this piece in general, and would you like to see more paintings that combine this geometrical embellishment in fluid pour painting. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay tuned for that course launch on May 20th, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!